For a couple of years now, the world of smartphones and communication devices generally have been moving gradually towards the adoption of the USB-C port charging option, but one company has refused to totally submit to this change. Well, without thinking you should know who we are talking about, and you guessed right, it's Apple. Even though the company has adopted USB-C with some of its devices, it has held the iPhone back from this. But in this video we are going to present to you the first iPhone with a working USB-C port. You want to know how that happened? Then watch this video to the end and subscribe for more videos like this every day. While the current European Union proposal could usher the iPhone into the USB-C era, this legislation will take effect in 2023 if it survives the vote. This suggests that an official USB-C iPhone could arrive in 2 years. This is a really delicate subject, but one person took matters in his hands. In a YouTube video titled World's First USB-C iPhone, engineer Ken Pillinel shows an iPhone X with a working USB-C connection. Pillinel shows how to charge the modified iPhone and transfer data in the video. Ken Pillinel has a master's degree in robotics from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology (EPFL) and has worked on this project for months. This just goes to prove that such a modification isn't easy by any means. As a result, you should usually avoid attempting it yourself. The entire process has been chronicled in a series of blog articles if you're feeling adventurous and have an iPhone you don't mind burning. However, the concept behind this prototype is quite simple. Pillinel spent some time customizing a USB-C to Lightning converter, swapping the USB-C male end for a female end, and eventually fitting everything on a PCB board. It goes without saying that performing such a method violates whatever warranty the gadget may have had. Furthermore, a robotics degree is extremely beneficial. There are two official reasons why Apple is adamant, both of which appear to be valid. Apple believes that USB-C is damaging to the MFI business's profitability, and its waterproof specification is lower than Lightning and MagSafe, according to a tech analyst. Apple claims that transitioning from Lightning to USB-C will result in unprecedented amounts of electronic wastage and will cause hundreds of millions of active devices and accessories used by our European customers to be destroyed. That is the second reason. There's a third option though, which is a wirelessly charging iPhone with no ports. Despite the fact that a recent study revealed that most people think it's a bad idea, Apple has been devoting resources to researching ways to recover and restore data from a portless iPhone. In comparison to its Asian competitors, Apple's wireless charging game is quite bad. The maximum charging speed for the iPhone 13 series is 15 watt for MagSafe and compatible chargers, and only 7.5 watt for conventional Qi chargers. Meanwhile, Oppo already sells a wireless charger that can charge at 45 watt and outperforms most wired chargers on the market. In order for Apple to consider a portless phone and avoid using USB-C altogether, the company would have to significantly improve its wireless charging technology. This is what we think is going to happen. Well, this is a complicated issue because there are so many variables at play. Our prediction is that Apple will try to delay the USB-C transition as much as possible, but will eventually submit to the change. A portless iPhone would be too difficult to manage, and given that Apple has already incorporated the technology into nearly every other product in its lineup, a USB-C iPhone seems a sure thing. Two issues remain, which are, when will it be released, and will there be a USB-C iPhone that is just available in Europe? Well, at this point, we are most likely to see a USB-C equipped iPhone 15 at the earliest. To answer the second question, splitting production and diversifying the portfolio would be too much of a headache for Apple, so that is possibly not going to happen. Well, when it finally happens we are going to be here to keep you informed, so please like and subscribe not to miss out on our latest videos.